were in Frisco and I wound up in Maine. I met up with a gambling man, got in a poker game. Got in a poker game, got in a poker game. He put the money in the pot and dealt the cards around. Caught it in from the bottom of the deck, so I shot the gambler down. Shot the gambler down, shot the gambler down. Now I'm in this prison, got a number for my name. The warden said as he slammed the door, you gambled your last game. Gambled your last game. Gambled your last game.
That's a Southern Express Bluegrass band.
Yeah, we're not too far from there. You can see the money flying out the window right now. But welcome to the program. This is the Southern Express Bluegrass Band, and we'll be here for the next few minutes to try to entertain you with some picking and singing. If there's a song on your heart that you think we might could do for you, then just let us know. Yell it out, holler it out. Best results is to write it on a $20 bill and pass it to the front. Make a little, make an airplane out of it and zoom it up there. But now, if y'all have a song you want to hear, here comes the song right here. Walk it up here.